Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million.
Yo, man, very crazy. Okay. Hey, yo, this is your boy Cherry. I'm back again with another banger. I only bring good vibes and funny moments because it's about to go down, man. Okay, sure. So, first rule, ne, anbuzano amakamenu. Anjela namakamenu, no utin khalapan buzano. You comply with the rules. Because if you don't, you might get executed. Answer. Sure. So, Tomal, but the ladies first. Gentlemen shall follow. No. Stomanga, no. Stomanga enjani kan.
Okay, fine.
And in a send the competition is so as we are sending a piggy son and one got it tomengal.
Ladies first.
And shiny rock paper scissors, meaning the ones with Titomaban. I see.
And it's rock paper scissors, not
yeah.
shooting.
Okay. Oh, yeah. No.
1, 2.
Rock, paper, scissors. Kobuelan. Rock, paper, scissors. We learn rock, paper, scissors. Okay, sure. So. So, why was it ropey? Was a one video after that. Yeah. So, I was telling him. Your level is best. Tomang is better. So, what is a red flag in a nigga?
Frank skin jean. Yo? Skin jean. Ay.
So, what are you skin jean?
Ay. Skin jean.
Yo.
Skin jean.
So, you want to skin jean next.
Look at my goes up in Gikri. I'm sorry.
Sure. Yeah, champela to describe our now so.
I don't know skin jean boys go piggy pairs kwa kontwana.
Okay, so I want to tell me yini green flag akho ucher.
Green flag.
Sure.
Hajo indombe ehle. Something.
Fuck man. Okay, yini red flag akho ucher.
Red flag.
Yeah.
A girl who like woka machitani access kuye ntwana ntwana it won't operate like
so nakabe okay let's say ukela ko mhlambe ukhulile like nabangani bamajita
angeke ngikushare from the start mangabona abangani bamachita ntwana
ungiboni kanjani ngoba maye ungiboni.
Yeah, but I'm just saying good phela nangizokuza we have to have a talking stage. So lapho talking stage uzobuza to have friends and then awutsho ukuthi nama guy friends then izokubhala.
Angisho sizayilungisa.
No, angifuni ukuhamba nawe emall mina.
Sizayilungisa.
Mamela, qala wengathi siyalo.
Lalela. Sizayilungisa ngisho.
Lalela ke.
Ngizobayeka for wena. Ngizobayeka ufuna ngibayeke.
Sure, ya nongabayeka then.
Yeah, so sizayilungisa ke. Ungathi ngikise.
Then ngiyakuthi inama yangifuni ukuhamba nawe emall vela ama GT5 so bahaga bonke phambi kwabo. Angifuni titeng ntwana. Yeah. So
sure.
Yeah, on.
So what's your love language? Stomanga.
Mina. Yeah. Physical touch, quality time mfanaka.
Yo. So quality time. So let's about communicating type shit. I was getting one.
No, those are just aspects nje ntwana. I relationship mina ngiyakhela phezulu kwendele. Relationship amele ibe loyalty, patience, communication. My love language is izinto nje sikathanda ukuzenza ngisho. Obvious boma Netflix, boma wine, boma quality time. That's how we operate. Yeah.
So when I in love language yakho?
Is venda. Ngiyadala guys.
Uzo trend.
Ngiyadala. Love language ne?
Not the home language, love language.
Ay ngikuzwile kanje yini? Ngikuzwile ngisho. Okay.
Asazi phela ufuna ngathi okay.
Awathu.
Yo.
Yo. Ngikwazi ngilwela. Yabona wena ungewami wena. Okay. Indoda. Okay, like my love language ne?
Yeah.
Quality time. I'll say that.
Mara why ngathi kokhulume lezi ngazikhuluma. No.
Sorry.
Koze.
Jason is a mesha lo muntu. Shoot it's a quality time and then
I like your answer.
Yeah, for now ngasho
I have to
lesi.
stop record. Okay. And
keep.
okay, sure. Yeah. Okay. So now cabanga vele like ngabangu
Skin jean.
I don't know skin jean man.
Okay.
I wear cargo pants, track suits and all that. And you should
so wena ucabanga uvele no njengona ucabanga uvele itype yakho mhlawumbe nocabanga like itype yakho umuntu onjani so
My type.
your type
Tall but not tall. Not short, I mean. Tall but not short. Ne?
yeah
And then not angabi mnyama like khalanyana so. Noma ngaba njengami. Ne, it's fine. Angabi mnyama.
Yo.
Ayingabi yellow bone ngabe usofi please. Angifuni sofi mina.
Sure.
Indaba soba ngisipili sinawe ekseni, soba ngisipili why the mina mcaramel. Hayi soba ngisipili sinawe ekseni.
So you think you're caramel?
Mina
On a scale of 1 to 10, how many do you rate yourself?
8.
A solid 8.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Quite buzutini. Okay, sure. Enough flop.
Type.
Okay, sure. What's your type one?
Type mfana ka thick mommy. That's all I can say, poison.
Mina ngislender. Angeke.
And then it won't work out, my sister.
Kanjani?
No, phela manje.
Ngizonona.
Bheka man ngifuna lalela baby phela ngichazele la. Ngifuna na ugibela ifeni lapha. Nandi hlokunyeka idizili so awazi ukuthi bathi ukhwele nawo.
Angisho we're in this together. So at least this thing amapilisi onona then get nona. Then ngiba lo muntu omfunayo.
Uzokujima. Phela amapilisi afuna ukujima.
Uzongifundisa phela.
Then ane on mara ke hayi man slender. Angifuni ukuthoma umuntu phasi mina.
Kanjani manje?
Njani slender njani? Uzokala njengeslender.
Ayimxolela Themba. So wena nocanga.
Isandla sakho.
Ngiyahula mina ekhaya.
Hayi lesandla sendoda lesimawasapho. Lesi kuyasizwa.
Mina wangibambanga musi ubamba ubani? Ubamba ujeki usho ukuthi mina wangibamba.
Yeah, lesi zwakala njengesapho.
Okay, ukuphi?
Yeah?
Ukuphi?
I'm right here. Ngifuna ungimabe ebusweni.
Nice.
Man.
Don't worry. Me. Hello.
Yeah, this is me. Come on. So,
Yeah.
uthini bana chubeka.
Oh, Themba, so like what do you bring on the table wena man?
Mina. Then I bring myself communication, being kind, being loyal. That's it. Yeah.
Ngiyazo kuphela.
Yeah.
Wena?
What I bring to the table? I bring myself. Yeah.
Do you taste good as you sound? Like if we're
The
saying.
one I call.
Okay.
Yo.
I bring myself.
You bring yourself?
Yeah.
You don't bring money?
I'm sure I do like in a 50-50.
Do you believe in girlfriend allowance?
Yeah, I do. Madam, I'm sure.
Ungamgaya mali mhlambe as a girlfriend allowance since ubuza ngayo.
Ntwana, I rather spend on her rather than giving her 3K. Kunothi nginikele 3K kamara sifa yesithu sibona.
Okay, let's say mhlambe se-HIV ufuna 3K.
What kind of jive?
Ubotshiwe.
Ngiyeza.
Bamthole ekoloyini ephuma egroovini agcola utshwala.
Okay, mele ngizi lapho police station ngitshela story then ngikubail out. Then EFT 3000 for ibail.
Ngithanda utshwala.
Ngiyaphuza.
Yeah, ngiyaphuza.
Ngiphuza.
Yeah, ngithanda utshwala ngiyaphuza.
Phuza istropers.
Ma ungapay me on then saphuza sithu star kwesibona ukuthi senzana stakiwe.
Mina ngideki ngiyashayana.
Then it will have it
Okay.
rough, yeah, maybe I assume.
Yo. Ayi leyo ngathi no situationship le. Ayi leyo nayi. It's on another level. It's on another level, bro. So, manje ngika 5 minutes nibuza nama question ne.
Sure. Okay.
Wait. Nansi mic.
Baby, how are you? Where are you? How are you? Come here. Let me put you to the highest point. Let me put you on the highest score. What are you saying? How are you?
I'm good on myself.
Okay.
Ngiyright wena.
What's up? Unevoice ehlas. Uhleka njalo wena? Hawu mara.
Oh yeah.
Uhleka so?
Yeah.
Every day.
Yeah.
Jabula lokubonayo. Do you have any questions for me?
Angazi. Buza ngizobuza after.
Do you drink wine?
Yeah, I do, but I don't like it. But ngiyayisela mina ngiyithandi.
No.
Yeah.
Why?
Angazi ngithina ingiphathi kahle. Mara ngiyayiphuza.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Mara, you said you are slender. I don't think you slender.
No, mina ngigcobo size 26.
26.
Yeah, so I'm a slender.
Can I touch you?
My hand, yeah.
Why your hand though?
Ngikutsorang my brother. Awu.
Sengisibambile mara isandla sakho.
Thola sifahlelo.
Okay, take my hand to your face. You feel soft, eh?
Thank you.
Okay. You don't have any question for me?
Ke ngibona ngazi. Ukahle.
What?
Ukahle.
Yeah, me I'm nice.
You sure?
Oh, no, I'm not.
Bathung.
I'm not sure, but I'm nice.
Kanjani manje?
I mean, there's only one way to find out. You think right now?
In law. If I may ask in law.
Maybe after this clip. I don't know.
I don't say mina awuthandile mina ngislender. That's into engishayo yileyo.
I mean, there's only one way to find out. Nasihlubula lezi zinto sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani. And what if you take again? Do you give me a chance if you take?
If ugqoka skin jean.
Okay.
Sangifuna umuntu uthi skin jean.
Okay. So
Yeah.
are you in a relationship right now?
No. Mara ngiyeza kanjani la no?
No.
I'm single, yeah. Wena?
Nah, yeah, mina you.
Ngeke should awuzazi wena. Udlala kanjani ungazi ukuphendula? Okay.
Okay, I'm single too.
Mawudazi ngiyashayana.
Njani physically?
No, straight go.
There's only like singayiceda endaweni eyi-1 impilo leyo.
Kanjani? My simple question ukuthi okay, ukuthi uyajola yini say mama la yena kanjani?
No, angijoli, serious.
Sizobona khona sazi. Hey mina ama-question amaphelele. Jay,
What's your green flag though?
my green flag. Actually green ne?
What do you like in a guy?
Okay, clean. Wazi indaba zakhe, loyally.
So, do you prefer public or private dates?
Private ne, but not a secret.
Yeah, I'm arranging.
But private.
Just posting or no in that. We can't post the whole of it.
Angingiphosta konke vele. Ngizophosta kancane nje.
Okay.
Kancane nje inyawo zakho. Gqokeni inhloko.
Mina,
Yeah.
I'm just wearing a 500 cap.
Yeah, should ngiyoveza yona kancane so.
No.
Yeah.
Shout out to Brainiac. Anyway.
Okay.
What was my question? I have a question. Oh, what's your favorite position?
Ngiyabazana ababukela lento.
Nah.
Mama mengene YouTube.
Parental guidance. So.
Mama mengene YouTube.
Nah, just favorite positioning.
Mama mengene YouTube.
Okay, ungangihlebela ke. Yeah, me too.
Why wena le?
Oh, I have to share a tattoo of my face on your back anyway.
Ngeke. Yo ngeke. Hayi. Okay.
Yo. Hi. That was hard, man. That was hard. So ngiyokuphela my question. So far, like so far, umrate ngayiphi boy?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay. When so far umrate ngayiphi?
7. Yeah, 7.
I like to repent.
So 3 na. Yep.
Kame ne mask.
Kame ne mask ngabo.
Yeah, sure. After pulling mask ngifuna ukumbona.
Okay, sure. Okay.
My 3 hambe ne mask.
Okay, sure. I'll drop a shout out lap.
Shout out to J Entertainment, man. Subscribe, comment, like, share there.
Okay, sure. All right. Okay, this is your boy Jerry, and I'm back again with another banger. We only bring good vibes. Someone is in Japan. Someone about pants.
Subscribe, like, share, and comment.
So much I count down. What you tell me out here? Now what you tell me? So shall I count down? Shout out to Brainiac. You see, let's pay the grand boy. Shout out to him. With the panel 5 panel. Man, it's long. Face senzan mara slow. Yo, bona face ngishaka ama PA. Engathi lama planting ngicala host ama sengishana nge PA yangikhulumela. Okay, so shall I count down ne? So qala ku 10 manje sisaqala ku 5.
And then
Sivula sifika ku 0. Ngizenje ukuthi ya noni ngavula. Okay. 10 8 7 6 5.
So wait, what do we do to Ananas Fulamel?
No, you just open your eyes.
Okay.
And you see what I have for you now. Same applies. And so on. 5 4 3 2 1. Whoa. Are you ready?
The economy is growing.
Hey.
Welcome.
Let's see, drop a might how many subscribers? We need how many subscribers to drop this video?
50, 100 at least. Boom.
And how many likes?
1,000.
Okay. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. And sir, when we got the feel how many subscribers would see drop?
500. Yeah.
Type sheet. Okay, now you can open your mask and see what I have for you guys.
Welcome to Sauta.
Awashaya intro yakho before siyawu.
Mahlangu umrungu amgwezana khotshele emnyama namanye ekhanya umathundrele edwaleni abanye bayaphalaza amabhili indaba ezitha.
Nawe.
Wait. Ulindebele.
Ngimahla. Why?
Hayi ngiyabuza.
Maruthe usilenda. And then I'll take it from here. I'll take it from here.
You'll take it from here.
Take it from here. Thank you. Hey. I'll take it from here. Chazela mina. Uthe wena usilenda.
Yeah, bengla.
Uyasmile uyablush.
Angazi. Uyibona yiyo.
Uyasmile uyablush.
Angazi. Uyibona yiyo.
Serious?
Yeah. Manje ngithanda ukuhleka, sho kumanye ngiyahleka.
Uthe usilenda ne iyaphikisa ibhoda yakho.
Thank you.
Do you think I'm your type though?
Yeah.
I'm not skin jean. I'm not wearing red.
Ay, ngiyabona ngigqoka skin jean. Sho manje masephumile ngiyabona.
Serious?
Yeah.
Uyafuna uyichange rate yakho?
Yeah.
Out of 10.
9.8.
Going on a second date. Thanks.
Yeah, we are. Mara, you gonna pay?
Shout out.
I'm gonna meet you halfway. Little halfway.
Shout out, guys. Thank you. Please share, comment, like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, this entertainment, ne? Yeah.
So, Chief.
See you guys.
So yeah.
Second date.
Guys, get out of here.
I'm back again. Yeah, so ish. Okay, sure, I'm back again. So much to say validating. So, do you think it's a perfect match?
Yeah, he is.
When? When's the Lamina Orion?
There's a second date.
So,
Second date. That's all you have to know, poison.
so Mele Balindi second date video.
And I'm going to
kuzokubuka
pay.
yena.
No, yeah. I'm just like saying,
Yeah.
like 5 clip at least like staying in 24. I'm just say I pose so it. Bese no good like.
Yeah, kuka wena.
Mara ngishusha nganswengo asikubulali tona. Come on.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bang!